Amber, the SFI-funded Materials Science Centre at Trinity College, today revealed a new bone repair technology which has led to an injured racehorse returning to its winning ways after a successful jaw reconstruction. The patented bone repair technology was developed by a team of Amber researchers working with another team at the Royal College of Surgeons. The solution consists of a 3D porous scaffold which acts as a bone graft substitute. Bone cells and blood vessels cling to the scaffold, allowing for new tissue regeneration.
So in my lab, which is based in the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland, we focus on the use of natural materials, materials that are found in your body to promote strategies to restore damaged or diseased organs and tissues. Now the interesting story here was that the veterinary hospital in UCD came to us with an interesting clinical case whereby a thoroughbred filly had a large cyst in her mandible, and it looked like that there was no real option for healing for this poor animal. So we supplied the material, and we were delighted to see that the horse returned to normal health initially, and more interestingly, over the past 6 months she started racing again, and she's been very successful to date. We've been actually actively involved in trying to bring this technology into human use, and as things stand right now, they're hoping to have regulatory approval for the bone graft substitute over the next 2 or 3 months, and in patients before the end of the year.
Yeah, so material science is the science of developing new materials for a very, very large range of applications. And Ireland, the expert in Ireland, rely heavily on innovating on materials. And this can go from innovating materials to produce new transistor in electronic to material for packaging food, for instance. You can count probably about 250,000 jobs that are related to companies that develop new materials. It is a new avenue where we will see materials actually entering in any aspect of our life, from the medical aspect to the entertaining aspect, to anything in our life. So it's absolutely important for us to keep innovating in material science, and I would say it's a field that is booming around the world.
Well, here we have our research centres, 12 internationally renowned research centres of scale, of impact, of research excellence. And if you look to see what those research centres do, they make cutting-edge discoveries published in the most prestigious journals, advancing the end of science. They have deep industrial engagement on our licensing technologies. Those are to both spin-out companies and also to multinationals. They're about attracting companies into Ireland, so it's part of the ecosystem. And a common thread that goes through all of that is, of course, training the people, and those people are going to go on to work in industry or to be part of the scientific system, both public and private.
In the last 10 or 15 years, with successive governments, we've put a lot of taxpayers' money into this area, and we've developed a lot of collaborations with industry. And today is an industry day for Amber, which shows how that collaboration is working. And it's taxpayers' money along with industry money being spent on the top people and putting the top teams together.